Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited that you're back for another video. Today we get to decorate finally the living room for Christmas. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. I show you how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything you're interested in, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. If you have been watching for a while, God bless you. I truly appreciate you. Now let's get into the video. Today, guys, the style that I wanted to go for was very simple but very whimsical. As you guys know, that is something that I've talked about in previous video, is to go for that whimsical effect. So we are going to decorate the mantel here, and I was trying to see what style that I wanted to go with, but stay tuned guys, you do not want to miss this video. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, tea, or hot chocolate like we love it in this house, and let's get into this channel. Let's get into this video. Let's go. Just needs a little bit more fluffing, but I love it. This year, I was tired, literally guys, tired of putting command hook on my mantel, on the fireplace. So I decided to get these stocking holders. They're very simple, very minimal. You can use for every year going forward. That's what I wanted, something permanent that I can accumulate into my holidays and Christmas decoration. So I love these. They're from Amazon. Of course, I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys. That's why I want to make sure that this video comes out right on time so that you can go ahead and grab those special pieces and add them to your house decoration or to your home decoration. Let's continue guys. These stockings are literally my favorite. I got them last year and I have not been stopped raving about them. When my daughter came inside, she goes, "Oh, these new, mommy." I was like, "No, these are the ones that we had since last year." But she didn't even know. She didn't even notice that it was there, I guess. I don't know. But it's just, I love it. And it's for my 4 kids. And I believe the white one is for my daughter. And the remaining, the boys can not choose whatever color they want. I love the way the mantel is looking. However, I really wanted to make sure we can have some lighting because it's the light that makes everything feel so warm and cozy. So having the greenery like this with no light is just mad to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some light that I got from Walmart a few years back and just wave it through it to make sure that, you know, we get that whimsical effect. Let's continue watching, guys. Guys, sometimes when life gives you lemon, you have to use it and make lemonade. Just laugh and make lemonade, okay? So I put this comment hook right there, thinking I was gonna put my beautiful wreath on here. Guess what happened? It just failed and I busted laughing so hard. So laugh with me. I was just like, you know what? Let me find a different way. So I took the lemon and make lemonade juice out of it. I put a cord behind it, behind the reef, and I was able to literally hook it on the comment hook, and it stayed perfectly. And I was like, you know what? Sometime when life gives you lemon, make lemonade out of it, okay? I told you guys that I want to go for that whimsical feeling, that whimsical decoration, and I meant it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, her. I mean, look at this Christmas tree. This beautiful Christmas tree is from my Texas house, and I was truly shocked. So my expression in this video was not just for the video. It was literally how beautiful this Christmas tree was. My kid came in the house and they were obsessed. My husband was just like lighting it up all week, and I'm like, you're going to make sure that there was going to be no more light on this tree by the end of this season. So unplug it from the wall. He's just like, I really love it. It brings warmth in this house, and that's what I wanted. I wanted a place where we can come and feel cozy and warm and comfortable. So my Texas house hit this out of the park. But let's continue decorating, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and spread it out. And then what I realized that there was actually 3 inside, and I did not want to crowd the place, so definitely did not use the 3. I put the smaller one that you saw the first time I opened it out of the box. I put it in my daughter's bedroom, and she's obsessed. My sons came and they were telling me, Mommy, can we have one in our room? And I'm like, I already have a Christmas tree for you guys. I just haven't decorated yet. I mean, look how beautiful this is. Look at it. Like, look at my reaction. I was just like, oh my God. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please go ahead and click on that like button and let's continue decorating. We are going to go ahead and decorate my coffee table. I love the simplicity of everything. I literally feel like this living room looks like a Hallmark movie, and that's one of my favorite movies to watch. The coziness, the invitingness, it just feels so much like around Christmas season. And I don't know if that's how you see it as well, but that's exactly how I see it, with the little peak of red peeking through. I'm just obsessed. So my daughter walks in and sees all the Christmas decoration, and look at her reaction. She just felt so in love, and she just told me, "Mommy, it looks so cozy." So this is what I did, right? I started decorating the table here, just try to see how it's going to look like. This was not my final design. However, I have a little baby that was not having it. He was right around the corner, but you couldn't see him. So I picked him up. This is being a mom. You film content and also, being a mom as well. So I decided to redo it myself without any baby being there and bothering me. So this is the final look that I did. Something very simple, very cozy, and I loved it. Also, what I did is that when I add the candle, I realized that I didn't do my little trick. So I removed the candle and placed a little paper towel, a little wet paper towel underneath it, and placed it back, and it stayed perfectly. If that is anything you're interested in, you can go ahead and steal this trick as well. It's a little tip that I do here and there. Guys, let's finalize the house. We are done decorating, so stay tuned for part 4. This was part 3, but look at this. Oh my God, I am genuinely, happy. But guys, part 4, we are literally having a huge project in the house, and I'm just sharing a sneak peek for you guys. Look at this. I don't even want to talk about what is coming up on this picture frame. You guys are going to love everything. I'm just giving you guys little sneak peeks in there, so definitely stay tuned. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, go ahead and click on that like button. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye, y'all.